Hello, this is Scott from Central Valley HHO. I want to go over some of this data here. This is a particular truck that we did in Mexico. You can see up there, this is one out of 3,554 trucks, but the main state of this video here is this is data that's plugged into the truck's computer and also watching our hydrogen system. And again, it's like every 5 seconds of data that you can see here. But I just want to show you that our microcontroller has multiple settings. So what we do is when we put our systems on, we do a baseline of 30 days and get the baseline. And what we found the baseline to be was 2.57. After the 30 days, we installed the hydrogen system. And you can see these are date stamped every single day of the data here. And in this, we're just focusing on the amp side here. And as you can see, we went from 8, 9, 12% fuel savings on this particular setting. And then the company wanted to see if it was actually getting results, which I totally understand. So we turned off the system here for almost a month. And it went down to the 2.59. Almost back down to the baseline. Remember, once you clean out an engine with hydrogen, it doesn't quite go back down to the baseline. So then immediately after that, we actually put it on setting 3 with our microcontroller, and as you can see, the savings went up to 21%, 22, 19, 18, 21. So we got an average of 20% fuel savings in the 5 months with the system working flawlessly. And the great thing also too is we're actually monitoring the J1939 data plug, and we had no emission related codes come up. Again, this is why I can show that we can save $30,000 or more per truck per year because we keep them on the road longer. This data here is very valuable. If other hydrogen companies had systems that would continue to work, they would post this data. But again, I just want to show you that we keep doing systems all around the world, and we keep showing the data, and we know this data is very valuable, and I just thought I would do a quick little video on some more of our technology and monitoring. Thanks.